Now, how the hell did I get on the back of a moto in the middle of Thailand lost looking for beer? Let me walk y'all through this story real quick. I got it done though. I'm the good fella. Alright, I just got back from the store. I didn't even know these was the Big John's paws. We got them lined up. Niggas said they proud of me and all that, but these niggas don't know one thing. They don't know these niggas. They ain't getting. These all me. I got some water and shit. They ain't getting none of these. That's a fact though. That's a fact though. I'ma holla at y'all good fellas. Part of my pink rag, you heard? This is a staple. This is a guapo staple. You heard? Salute to the good fellas. Good fellas. I've been wearing rags under my hats since 1990. But out here in Thailand, 7-Eleven only had Pink Johns. Sue me. But I don't know where I'm at, and I don't like that feeling of being somewhere but being nowhere at the same time, if that makes sense. I'm an alcoholic, regrettably. So I'm going go look around this copy of the passport. Always keep a copy of your passport on you. So we're gonna go find a Kamado or something. Or a 7-Eleven or something. I'm just trying to find some beer. Alright, we're gonna walk this way. What's up, man? What's up, man? Where the store at? Where the store? I need some beer.
Drink beer.
Chang beer. Where at? That way or that way?
Okay, okay.
No, where? This way or this way? That way? You wanna give me a ride?
Bye. Taxi.
You a taxi?
Yeah.
You wanna take me to the store?
Yeah. Hey, 7-Eleven. No.
Huh?
7-Eleven. No. Beer.
No beer?
Top beer.
How far is it?
2 kilometers. Come back 4 kilometers.
How many minutes?
Yeah, 10 minutes.
10 minutes?
Yeah.
Shit. Yeah, let's go. Alright, we're gonna get some beer. It's 10 minutes away, apparently. Let's get to it. Alright, so we out. Yeah. Sights and sounds. I really just want to get the beer. Now, this is a 10-minute ride, but for time purposes, I decided to cut this John all the way down. Look at my man right here. He said, you know what, we going on the opposite side of the street, on the sidewalk. Remind me of my teenage years in Brooklyn with the dirt bike. Now, I want to let y'all know there are no chicks in this video except that one. That's the only one. Literally. Yes, beer. You said beer.
Yeah, chop. Chop beer.
7-Eleven don't got beer?
No.
7-Eleven do got beer. So you gonna tell me there ain't no beer at 7-Eleven at that 7-Eleven, even though I've been buying them in Thailand for the past 6 days. I think he's taking me to his family shop or his wifey John. I don't know. Oh, right here. This is where we gonna get beer at. Who went to 7-Eleven? Wait for a minute. You want something? Hey. You want some? Water?
Yeah.
Water? Right. Need some beer. All the beer in the world. We need some beer. Beer. A case of this stuff around. Let me get my man a water. It's hot out here. You heard? Always look out for your people. And I could just grab a regular beer and be a stingy jerk off, but I'm gonna look for a case for the good fellas. Alright, we're gonna do this big ass Chang. I don't know how I'm gonna hold this, So I probably can't record this on the way back. But I think I'm gonna go with this one. It's a lot of these. What's the count on this one? No, son. Yo, y'all think I should grab this? Or I should just grab me a few beers, cause these niggas is mad mean and annoying. What y'all think, son? Alright, now we just gonna grab this, son, right here, son. I'm gonna be right back, son, after I set all this up and pay for everything. I'll be right back, son. I need 2 hands for this dumb shit. Alright, we got the Chang on the John. Say what up, man. We litty. Got my man some water. It's hot as hell out here. Alright, I'ma hold on tight, man. I'm holding on. Alright, this joint about to die on me, son. We got the beer on the jar. This jar about to die. Let's see what's shaking out here. Facto. And I promise y'all, smoking I found beer around the corner the next day. Literally, we walked down the hill or up the hill. And we found the beer. Now we pulling back up to the villa. And this one ain't gonna get real proud of me, knowing that I'm not sharing the beer. All right. How much I owe you? Free?
150.
Free, man.
Oh, free.
You have it for free, son. Come on, man. All right. Gracias. And this is how we got here. The beginning of the video, right? Salute to Thailand. Salute to Chang beer. It's a delicacy. That's what they would call it, right? And yeah, I really didn't share these beers. Well, I shared a few. It was 12. I didn't know it was the big pack, but I drunk like 9. I gave 1 each to the other good fellas. But you know, I appreciate y'all, facto. I got all the beer, you heard? Because the store is just out of the way.